Sing the private parts song with me in English and Tagalog. These are my private parts, private parts, private parts. These are my private parts and nobody should see them. Nobody should touch them. Nobody should feel them. Ito ang mga pribadong parte, pribadong parte, pribadong parte. Ito ang mga pribadong parte at di dapat makita, di dapat hawakan, di dapat galawin. If you touch my private parts, private parts, private parts. If you touch my private parts, I will tell my mommy, I will tell my daddy, I will tell my teacher, so don't you ever try. Kapag hinawakan mo ito, mo ito, mo ito, kapag hinawakan mo ito, isusumbong ko kay nanay, isusumbong ko kay tatay, isusumbong ko sa guro, kaya wag mong susubukan. A reminder from Teacher Julia and friends to protect our private parts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, English and Filipino for Kids.